Hello everyone, welcome to another broadcast from me, Blago. Okay, today I want to talk about the upcoming 7 days Forex trading training or Forex trading class that's going to be held online via WhatsApp. Okay, and in that training you're going to learn the basic things about Forex and how to start trading from the binary trading expert. Okay, I call him the king of binary trading. Okay, I call him the king of binary trading because he has been, on a daily basis. He shows me his results. He shows me how much he makes, whether it's $8, $9. At times he takes a wide run at investing $100 is making a profit of $8, $90 something. Man, really interesting. So I had a discussion with him and decided to come up with a WhatsApp class for those who want to learn about Forex, because his normal class is normally about 100,000 naira, but I convinced him to run a WhatsApp class because his master class involves you one-on-one training with him. But in the WhatsApp class, I was able to get down the price for him to handle the WhatsApp class, a 7 days WhatsApp class for just 10,000 naira. Okay, now if you are a Tibetian, okay, you have to take advantage of this opportunity. Okay, here is why. Because the price for somebody who is a non-member is 10,000 naira, but for you who is a Tibetian, it is 5,000 naira cash, 5,000 naira in TBC. So 5,000 naira in TBC is about $14. Okay, $14. So that should give you about, give or take, about 3 kringles or 2 kringles. Okay, yeah, 2 kringles. That should give you about 2 kringles. So to participate in the class is you pay 5,000 naira cash, or if you're not a Nigerian, because this is not only for Nigeria alone, okay, it's for global. Okay, this is global. This is a global WhatsApp trading. All right, so if you're not in Nigeria, say you are you're in Africa, or you are in India, or whatever country you are, or you're in the US and you want to learn about this trading, okay, for those who are in Nigeria, it is 5,000 naira cash, $14 or 2 kringle TBC, which is 50-50. Okay, 50% cash, 50% TBC. Okay, for let me start all over again so that you guys will understand. For non-Tibetians, they pay 10,000 naira, which is $28. Okay, which is $28, approximately $28. All right, now if you are now a Tibetan, okay, and you are a Nigerian, all right, you pay 5,000 naira cash and 2 kringles, which is approximately 5,000 naira in TBC. Okay, so 2 kringles plus 5,000 naira cash. Okay, 2 kringles plus 5,000 naira cash. All right, now if you are not a Nigerian, let's say you're based in Africa or you are in another country altogether, okay, you pay $14 cash via PayPal or Bitcoin, then you pay 2 kringles via TBC. Okay, I believe now it's clear. So it's an added advantage for those people who are Tibetian, because part of my plan this 2019 is to come up with these educative opportunities that will help increase your sources of income. All right, and I know most times, because most people are not part of cryptocurrency, they are not part of TBC. Some of the people who are knowledgeable about this are not part of TBC. They're not part of, okay, they're not even in the cryptocurrency space. Okay, so what I do is I arrange with them, we discuss, and they come up, and we come up with an agreement. All right, we come up with an agreement, and in that agreement, we now decide how much to charge Tibetians. All right, and that is why you guys are paying 50% cash, 50% TBC. All right. While those who are members of the community, who are not members of the community, pay their whole $10, 10,000 naira or $28 together out of your, bank transfer, PayPal, or Bitcoin. So you have to take advantage of this opportunity. All right. You don't have to miss it. Okay. It's a 7 days program that's going to start on Monday, 25th March. All right. We'll be running it twice in a month. Okay, but my advice to you is for you to start now, because what you learn now will help you set up a demo account, which will still be there to guide you. Then for one-on-one training with him, you can go discuss with him. All right, but what I'm helping you get here, I'm helping you get the basic lessons to understand how to read the market, how to enter into the market to start trading. All these are what you're going to learn straight up from here, the king of binary trading. So if you're interested in this, chat me up or call me or text me or WhatsApp me, and I will give you the link to join the preparatory class, so that when you now make payment, you now enter the main class. All right. Then for those of you who are super, ready to join immediately, to enter the WhatsApp, there's a WhatsApp link for you to join the preparatory class. Then once you make your payment, you'll be moved to the main class. Because once it's Monday 12 noon, 25th Monday 12 noon, okay, we will stop collecting payments and focus on teaching those who are interested. Okay, then after their own training, we will now open the doors for more registration. So better hurry up now and start increasing your sources of income. All right, yes, you're a member of TBC, but it does not mean that you cannot acquire skills that will help you become financially independent. So guys, that's the message I have for you guys today. Till I see you next time. Take care and bye for now.